So I launched VTS in January 2012 with two main goals. First, to crush the financial industry and help investors start making real progress towards their retirement goals. And secondly, to provide that outperformance at a much lower cost. A low monthly subscription fee scales far better than paying a traditional percentage of assets. Now, our portfolio is currently 5 strategies with low correlation to the stock market and to each other, so it's a completely diversified total portfolio solution. It's also not active day trading, and trust me, anybody from any background can follow in just a few minutes a day. Since retiring from pro golf in 2005, I've been an options and volatility trader for 18 years now, and I share a lot of invaluable volatility data from our dashboard in every daily email to subscribers, so you can learn the same tools responsible for my success. I'm also a certified workaholic, and there's a growing list of courses that all members have full access to. There's a free trial to VTS available to everybody down in the description below or on my website. Come join members from almost 70 countries around the world. I can definitely help you achieve your financial goals.